And me a squash man and law boss so much. Artists are ball out for free Vybz Cartel. You seen a real life teacher. I don't make him get that message kind of real. You have to ball out.
Oh. Cartel has sold more tickets in the year that he has just come out of jail than some artists will sell in their lifetime as an artist.
I'm not lie. Since Cartel come from prison, brother, me I tell you, the artists them, I don't know if I done in music or them turn. Me don't know them turn, but big woman thing, when I hear them again. But big woman thing, me did expect that still, you know. But
a few moments later,
the fact still remains here, Masicka run the place. So you had run the show them if you want. That's your business. But putting out its song, Masicka have the place. So you are run stage show, Masicka run dancehall when it come to music, bro. It doesn't matter how much show you want, you could do 5 million show for idiot. A Masicka.
Suck your mother. So you remove your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
You know Media Fox, you know? Yeah, man. You see it, people are going big up on themselves now. You don't know what things said, but it's a big thing I go on in the media, big thing I go on in the dancehall. I see, what name? The Rasta brother there. You see me? Irish something. You see it? You know, female him loud mouth already. And I say a gangster. I know you know, nah, I didn't face it, and my bad up Cartel and this up Cartel wicked. And I see Terro done run out. You understand? But we're going to play the video and make you hear what the brother here say. You understand?
Vybz Cartel. When I do a bomb buckle like prisoner, do 13 years what here. I'm an artist. I mean, I tell you the truth. When I do a prisoner, do 13 years what here, you and Sean Storm and Matsus. I be a ball, squash ball out for free. You want a man me say free Vybz Cartel. You want a man me ball for free, especially squash. And you tell me, say, dog, you can't take a moment out of your time, but that you want to say free squash, man.
Brother, so you think set, you know? You see me, but the thing is that, you know, brother, Cartel not really obligated if you really say you free them money or you understand? Because remember, you know, everybody I use train from each other, I guess train from each other, because you don't know. The money that use the Gaza thing, you see me, and Cartel that use them to stay relevant. You understand? I just saw a thing set. You see, 6 them forward out, you see me? Yeah, man, 6 them that push the Gaza thing, and although Cartel not really obligated to say you free squash or whatsoever. You see me, because and I like, me not sure no evidence not out there where Cartel I tell him say, yo, when you go up on stage, say for free me and Gaza and one bag of thing. You understand? But you don't have to know Cartel stay, bro. You know Cartel not really them type of man they way sure the real loyalty like that, bro. You understand? You see what him do with him friend them. You see what him treat him artists them from the Gaza. You see me, son, nothing new, brother. I just Cartel that. You understand? Yeah, man, but I just one of them thing the way Squash just put himself in a problem and maybe Cartel now want to, you see me, put him energy there so and say free this and free that. You understand? So one of them thing they wanna show if the man them link or what, you see me? Yeah. Him big them up on live and thing, but I mean say them link, you know Cartel's a man him ever play some card, you know, you see me? Yeah. Styler, you see it? But this is what I say people.
Yeah, boy, Cartel you in a real life. I feel like if you take back my fan stage, me take back my blood clot fanship for you. That boss me, you're ungrateful Vybz Cartel in a real life, you never hear a gun at you on your TikTok page and say free squash, man.
Yo, people. Boy, I don't know what a lot of people at third panic Gaza was, you know. Yeah, man, a lot of people, man, because remember, you know, same gangster, them and the same man, them when him there prison, him just cut Ghana foreign gonna live. You understand? But we're going to sit down the line because a lot of people are go kind of stop carry the energy. You see it? Yeah, man. But I just one of them thing the people where when I just see what I go on, Cartel a damn thing, him say him try change him life, him try leave certain energy, but you gotta have fans them where I go come out and speak them mind. You understand? Yeah, man.
And me a squash man and lava so much. Artists are ball out for free Vybz cartel. You seen a real life teacher. I don't make him get that message, kind of real.
Yo, me no know you know about that brother yeah. I don't think he know a Gaza thing set, you know. You know, them Gaza man you stay see this them Gaza boss and brother, remember you know your life. You see me mind you're missing. You understand? You know, end up like lizard in the dog. You see what I try to say? So you have to watch. If you put yourself out there like this and thing, well, it seems like you must know what you do still. You see it? Yeah, man.
If you ball out free squash man youth, after you are no God for nobody, you are no king for nobody, you are king for dancer, you are no king for nobody youth. So you have to make your world know, bro. You have to make your people know, say, free squash man.
Jano, you're man of the cartel away your freak. Yeah, tell the people, but people, me have some clip in here, you know. Zine, so we see Terro than run out. Yo, the man of the cartel away, me want the for Masicka PM.
Can't understand.
But I want to know listen to the video, people. You see it? Listen
Can't
what I
understand. Oh, you say you're the king of dancehall. And Beenie Man say him are the king. And everybody say Beenie Man bad mind you. Now the goat argument forward up. You make it seems like say Masicka not going with nothing. Oh, you have to say Masicka delusional. That's crazy, bro. To be honest, bro. Nobody abuse artists like say you talk more than one. No, a Masicka you talk to. Cartel, we don't know you as the person. You have to be a coward in a dancehall, you know.
Brother, tell you not ready, you know, dog. I know, bro, I don't know my Vybz cartel ego things there already, bro. You understand? The man go always put out things and boast on the artists and all of them, look at something. Man, same do 27 shows in a 43 weeks. He go always pull them card there, bro. And everybody know why say a prison thing and all of these things make him do all of this and him never go these countries. You understand? But I just him that. You see it? And him not like when other artists, you see me, I go on with things and him not in the mix. So him go always put out them thing and play them card. You understand? So I just saw cartel stay there. And my man love internet, you know. Man just post something and you don't know people are gonna react. Attention him want. You see it?
We don't know you as this person, you know. You make out a statement, but it sound too broad, bro. Why you not direct a statement to one artist? Because we know how Masicka you talk, you're not talking nobody else. Because if this good thing I never forward up, you wouldn't put out a statement. I say your 27 show, 43 week, and rare, and your favorite artist, Delusion, should be studied. One king, one goat. So you basically I said, a Beenie and Masicka you talk, or a Masicka alone you talk. Because it's not Alkaline. Because Alkaline never yet used none of them statements here. King or goat statement.
Yeah, man, no. Alkaline things they heard it. See me Alkaline in a different world, you know. I'm no business but no goat and no king thing, you know. A ush, one lad, you understand? Young lad. That's the way man do him build him own thing. You know, in the little drama thing and certain little things, you understand? I just saw cartel stay, bro. Him post a little thing, you see me, delusional. Masicka say my goat. Everybody knows say Masicka and a really good artist like that. You see me? But if a man want to push up himself and say man the goat, fine. If him see himself as a goat. But not everybody go with that. You understand? So it go put enough artists in them feelings, and because it's not about what you say now. It's about the work where you put in and what show. You understand? So Masicka say man the goat. Him just maybe confident in himself, say, yo, one day I'm gonna be the goat. You see it? So maybe he must say it for now. You see it? Yeah, man. So, you know, cartel is a man, he not like hear them thing there. I tell you, him not like hear them thing. You see, everything when him put out, if them say him are the king or the goat, him no want hear no other artist call himself no goat. I remember the time when Ragging King found out and say one king. This way man cartel have a little problem, you understand? Cartel always want to be the talk of the town, the man with them label as this and that. Yeah man, him no want nobody else. You see me name sir what so him stay, is it?
So who you talk? Zine? Cartel. Me don't know what you do. Me don't know if that work best for you. Furthermore, Cartel have him own opinion, so him don't need mine. And that's fine, you see me I say. But he must say the DJ delusional. That's crazy to even think like that, you see me I say. Because to be honest, Masicka put in this work here. And Cartel, you put it out stage show where you do. We don't care. Well, me don't care. I don't care. You alone care about that. The fact still remains a massacre on the place. So you.
But Terro then. Remember when Cartel just found out still no bro. Can you have a look on things where you said to you know. When Cartel just found out with the no brother. See? Remember say you was the one where say yo from Cartel come out the artist them last. You understand? Remember you found out and said that in a brother. You say yo with the artists them now put out no music whatsoever. Yo, you did that bring the Gaza thing. That you did that do now, you know. So how now everything changed now? What it look like Masicka them pay that car will. Yeah, go on. Me I tell you, me never expect you to turn up on the Gaza thing right now. You see it?
You I'd run the show them if you want. That's your business. But putting out its song, Masicka have the place. So you are run stage show, Masicka run dancehall when it come to music, bro. It doesn't matter how much show you want, you could do 5 million show for idiot. And Masicka I run dancehall, musically hits.
You know, well, Masicka do him thing, I put out him look a song them, but some people are gonna say everything him drop a hit, but that is not factual. Masicka do collab with people, him drop other songs, they still not hit, bro. Enough song Masicka drop when not hit, brother. You understand? But him a go on with that thing in a dancehall. You see me, people are listening music. You see me, where you right with Cartel do him show. I might get the show, they might get the bookings them. I understand. I know why am I getting bookings them now. You understand? So them thing there, it right in everybody eyesight. You see, Cartel really get a hit song right now. And it, you know, sometimes that's the wonder if you say, yo, now this a man of them say, yo, most hit song and whether get hit song, how him not get a hit song now. Well, things and time change. You understand? Things and time change. The hype and all of them look at something there, you see it. But people, I one of them thing there. Masicka do him thing, Cartel do him thing. You see it, and Masicka say him a the goat. But when him do wrong, the sheep goat the thing, she goat the thing. You see me, better than you get one different goat, man. Get one goat when, you know, when I goat there, then I video, you must say, yo, Jano. But bro, the wrong goat you get in a video, bro. You understand? Yeah, man.
Me not talk about Masicka have the most show, who have the most arena. I don't give a fuck about that. Cause I don't like to listen to arena in my ears. And music. You see me? So listen to me I say.
You know what the thing, people? You know, say back then nobody wasn't talking about shows. I don't know, like people did that do shows, but it's like I don't know when since people are used doing shows and arenas is this thing, like I don't know. It's like the man want to change the thing from the music to doing arenas and all of these things. Is what I try to say. But where's the music? That is the problem, because doing shows can't carry dancehall for no way, brother. And music carry dancehall, you know, all these years. Now never no man do no show business. You understand?
You have the show them, Masicka have the song them, all that son. And to be honest, this a give me a bad mind vibe. And yeah. Cartel reach him do have to bad mind Masicka. Where my bad mind Masicka for? I'm not talking about that shit. See, when me a talk about Cartel bad mind Masicka because Masicka run the place. That's it. It's not about money. It's not about who have the most show. It's not about who.
Yo, a real thing, you know, them the bad mind thing, you know. It's like you can't say nothing about no artist again. I just everything you say a bad mind. I don't know where this bad mind jump forward from. You understand? But as a Cartel thing still, you understand him now. That's why the artists them who him have around him. Let me tell you, cause he's a great artist, you know. But remember them time when the artists they were around him, you understand? Him no want none of them. I get no more bookings than him, no more attention than him. No, him not like them thing there. I tell you, him not like them thing there. Him want him for always. I get the overshine. That's why I'm do teach aspect. You understand? Because him want to be seen all the time, TV, everybody. You understand? Yeah, them they are the thing that we love. You see it?
Of this that of that. But I come with when for bad mind for. Me I tell you when bad mind for. In bad mind Masicka because Masicka around the place and Cartel have the most show, the most hits and everything and still not run the place. All of the thought them one could possibly make right now. Me gonna make it full now. Who have the most hits song? Vybz Cartel. Who get the most show? Vybz Cartel. See it? So I'm clear the ear. Anyway.
But bro, I don't know when this getting this show business is attacking brother. Like, bro, I don't even know why Cartel even post that. 27 shows in a 42. Bro, you have all man, we go all 50 shows, bro. On tour and all of them look at something there, bro. You understand? I don't know. I just feel like say, yo, Cartel posting that just childish, dog. You understand? 27 shows, bro. You missing for 13 years, brother. You have way more shows to do, brother. So you reaching a part at 27 shows in a 43, bro. Bro, it's expected, brother. You not do show over 13 years. That's just one of them thing there. You understand? But people, me see, when name Irish Chin, yeah, the Rasta brother, them, I don't know where them get them people there from. In people, where them money forward from? Cause me not understand. You understand? The man, yo, this money is like, I don't know. Them people, where them get them knowledge from? What kind of thing them money attack on podcast, dog? People, don't listen what that brother say.
It is Vybz Cartel is going to be nominated for a Grammy. Cartel has sold more tickets in the year that he has just come out of jail than some artists will sell in their lifetime as an artist. In fact, some of the biggest names in dancehall and reggae, you would have to pile all of their ticket sales together, and you're still not gonna reach the amount of tickets the man sell.
Yo, people. Them people are like, yo, brother, sometimes for hear them people that talk on podcasts, bro, and no sense in the dog. Them people, yeah. Bro, you are gonna say all of the people, them, sum up them ticket and all of them something, brother. Seeing? And you not understand the fact that, bro, these artists who not talk about, brother, them money a tour the world for 13 years when Cartel lock up and couldn't do it. So in a short space of time, Cartel are gonna have more ticket sales, bro. Like, yo, bro, them thing are common sense, you know, bro. And you a big Rasta man. You're supposed to, you even not talk about this, bro. You even make no sense. You understand? Because at the end of the day, brother, Cartel I go sell the ticket them, bro. Like, you that thing, yo, people, you that thing say Cartel they are road. The way how them money attack and him a do him a do. Brother, the man they lock up. The other rest of artists them out there do shows. You understand? Them are the one bag of shows. The demand not dead for them. Cartel did lock up and remember say them him couldn't fly go certain place. The man a go over Canada 49 years. The man never have been in to Canada. That's why him can't have them 3 show there and them are sold out. Them think they are common sense, bro. You understand?
Would you like me to prove it? I have counted all of the numbers released. Right? These are the numbers released. You guys can say whatever you want.
Brother, them numbers thing there. And every numbers you see, you have to believe, brother. You understand? And every numbers you see. You see it. If you check the arena capacity them, some of them numbers are way too high than what the thing they can hold. You understand? When I look on some numbers where don't even make no sense. You see it. Some of them wrong, some of them right. You see me? Yeah, man.
Not talking about Canada where he's just sold out 2 arenas and about to sell out a 3rd one. Right? So that don't count yet. Right?
But you have to remember, you know, Mr. Chin. Remember, you know, brother. Some of them places that give a free ticket to, you know, bro. You understand? And remember, said the ticket them say some of them tell cheap over England. You have 2.95 where ticket a sell, brother. You understand? You go like say all of them ticket ya like high cost a ticket them. No, brother, them cheap. Them even are the cheapest. Some of them in a dancehall, brother. The one when a Birmingham, I think a Birmingham or must be Manchester where him do. 2.95, $3 pound. The people them a play for going at the ticket for the Cartel. So, bro, you see, because you know I like these things. Yeah, man, that's the problem.
To date, according to the numbers released, Vybz Cartel has sold 369,500 tickets. Vybz Cartel has sold 369,500 tickets. When those numbers are released from Canada, you probably to round him off at 400,000 tickets.
Yo, them people, that brother ain't no sense, you know. Bro, you can't do it like that because on every ticket, where you see, there, brother, you have people in the place where free ticket, you understand? And then we still put up the numbers, them. You see it, because what you do some sketchy count and all of these things. But fine, the time numbers. But at the end of the day, everybody know why Vybz Kartel get that them amount of sale that ticket there, bro. The man not perform at these places for years. You understand? So you can't use the advantage over the artists them who been performing. You understand? Because them demand go very low. You see it? So if a man absence for 13 years, seeing and not go certain places for 20 years and 49 years. And the artists them go these places for 13 years and much years now. Seeing? You know must expect say a man when I go them place here, I go bring up the numbers than the artists them we are go there regularly. You understand? It nah make no sense. He might go sum up them ticket have more high selling ticket in a short space of time than them artists here. You understand? That's just common sense.
I don't know if you guys are understanding what I'm saying to you, right? Now, I'm not fighting anybody else that's going up for the Grammy because there's some really good work.
People, look what the man I use for prep up when it comes to Grammy and Vybz Kartel. Just listen.
There's so much wonderful artists that has made submission that I would like to win too. There's a lot of people throwing them thing, you know. You got Octane in there, you got Vegas in there. I think they said Mortimer is also in there. Leela's in there. Tons of artists. Baby Sham is in there.
Yeah.
Whole heap.
Whole heap. All right.
Out of all of these submissions, the 773 that you spoke about, if they're narrowed down to 5 or 4 or 10, Vybz Kartel is going to be part of that. Right, Michael? Can we start there? Because
Yo, me tell you about them money, you know. So, all him a focus on, you know, I just Vybz Kartel thing. That's why I try to show you how them people are staying, you know. So, you only focus on say, yo, a Vybz Kartel you want to fit in the 5. But you know want the other rest of artists them, you know want say, yo, this your man you go unite and this your man. So one man, you don't want a one man thing, you know pre. Then how the genre for push? You think one man can carry dancehall? Bro, when I look on some hype thing in bro and I realize that bro, in reality hype goes nowhere, bro. You understand? Hype forward and left the place. In a stay one place, brother. Is what I try to say. But listen what I say, people.
Can't win if he's not nominated, right? So let me start at the nomination, right? That is my bet that he is nominated for a Grammy. And if it doesn't happen, I will eat my words. But almost 400,000 seats sold? Yeah, right. Yeah. Come on now. 400.
So basically, so this man I try to say True Cartel sold what 400 seat. I don't understand. Wait there.
Think about a Grammy. And if it doesn't happen, I will eat my words. But almost 400,000 seats sold? Yeah, right. Yeah. Come on now. 400. think about what we. 400,000.
8 will become nomination.
Yo, people, man, tell you. When since sold in all 400,000 ticket, have to do with nothing with Grammy. I don't understand that, brother. No music we are dealing with this. When since sold in out 400,000 seat, have to do nothing with Grammy, bro. Music, brother. Music. You understand? First of all, the album we Cartel have, bro, we not hear nobody talk about it. Nobody not see the album. You understand? Enough people don't know the song for the album. Yes, it will get nominated, yes, because we know how Grammy nomination things still. Anybody can get nominated. You see me, them have a link on board or whatsoever, yeah, them get nominated. But what are the songs or what are the great project or the album, which one them really are going to choose? Because remember, you know, you can't have them like a Slackness song and them Ray song, you know. I get win Grammy, you know. Where song where people don't know, song where can go commercial, song no. You understand? all of these things. You see me? Well, if Vice Cartel get it, we know why I'm get it. Because we know the links. We know all of these things. Anything can buy out all of them look or something there. So, you know, you wouldn't be surprised if him win it. But at the end of the day, we know say that project winning it is not up to the task. You understand? The other is artists them have some good music. We can, you see me, go certain levels. You see me? So I just one of them thing there. But that brother yeah, I don't know, he look like he man a raise up in pressure, like he may even not laugh while he attack, like you know them people just attack just for capping. Yeah man.
Huh?
8.
8 will become nomination. Cartel dead as up. He's in that. His popularity is gonna play a role in the Grammy
But I when since popularity have to do nothing with Grammy. Oh, to that brother, yeah, man. Brother, you know how much people we in the international market, we are popular and rare, and still not win one Grammy, brother. So you in your mind population, popular whatsoever, hype or way, those can win Grammy. So brother, if I do so, brother, everybody win Grammy, brother. You understand? I don't know who wanna get phone thoughts. You see it, but people, and people are crazy out here, man. I tell you, man. Yeah, man, but when they don't know anything, said no people. I want media facts, you know. That is it.